Now let's write this number down. What was the number? 0.875. And we were asking about the place value of 5. Now, according to this system, what do you think? I think you're correct. The number 5 is 5 thousandths. Now, can we write this down here on the place value chart? Let's try and write it. So I'm going to write 0 point, and then I have 8 tenths, and I have 7 hundredths, and I have 5 thousandths. Now, if we want to represent on this grid, which is this one here, 4 over 1,000, what should we do? Here we want to represent 4 over 1,000. Exactly. We shade 4 parts. We know that 4 over 10 is written in the decimal form as, who remembers? Let's write it down together. So, it's 0.4. Now, what about 4 over 100? Yes, it's 0.04. And what about 4 over 1,000? Yes, that's right. We will write it as 0.004. Now, let's write it down on the place value chart. What do we see? We are going to see that we have zeros in all the places except in the thousandths place. Let's write it down together. So, it's 0.004, which is read as 4 thousandths. If we get back to the grid, do you remember the number that represents this value? Yes, it's correct. It's the number what? 76 hundredths. Let's look closely. Now we are going to return back to this grid again, and we said it's 76 what? Hundredths. Now, what is the whole number here? 0. How about 7 is in the 10th place? That's correct. Now, how many 700ths do we have here? Yes, we have 7. Now, let's move to the what? To the 6. Now, I want you to read the number out loud. How do we read this number? The number is 76 hundredths. Now, let's read the number 0.762. How do we read it? It's going to be 762 thousandths.
شوف الحلقة كاملة من خلال تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا مستقبل يبدأ الآن.